At this point, hail season has come to an end, and it's good if you waited to get your roof fixed. You got hail damage? Well, you don't have to fix it right away. Hail, when it hits your roof, especially in the area that we're in, it's usually 1 to 2 inch. And so that means it's not baseball size, it's not softball size, so it isn't like piercing holes in your roof. If that's the case, you need to have it fixed right away. But what happens is the hail hits and makes an impact, and you can see it. It's a dark mark. You can't see it from the street usually. You got to get up on top of it and look at it. And what happens is the shingle is made out of 3 layers. So your base layer is a fiberglass mat that's all interwoven, and you can't see that part, but that's what holds the shingle together. And then that is coated with an asphalt tar mix, which is what actually keeps the water out. But asphalt tar breaks down underneath UV light. And so most people think that the grit is to make your roof look pretty, and it does. But the main function of it is to protect that tar and asphalt layer from getting UV light. And so when the hail hits it, what it does usually is it knocks off the grit and exposes that tar and asphalt. Now it takes like 6 months to a year for it to start breaking that down. Once it breaks down, then the mat is exposed, and that's when you get leaks. So most of the time, it isn't like an incredible emergency that you get it fixed right now. And most insurance policies, they require that you do file the claim within a year of the event, or they won't cover it at all. So now's a good time to be calling it in if you think that you got damage. And if you're not sure if you got damage, then have a roofer who knows what they're looking at come out and take a look at it, like me.